Siphonic system, also called depression flow or full bore flow, is manufactured by Valsir under the product brand Rainplus. Rainplus system is ideal for the drainage of the rainwater from roofs of medium-big sizes. Thanks to the particular type of roof outlet, pipes, once some conditions are reached, become completely filled by water, creating in their inside a natural depression that allows very high velocity and flow rates, keeping the pipes perfectly horizontal without any kind of slope. The particular functioning of the system allows to considerably reduce the size of the pipes, the number of roof outlets and the burden portions. This is also reducing the realization cost of the system while increasing the performances and the drainage capacity, also helping the designing choices minimize the structural interferences. The Rainplus system is self-cleaning. In fact, thanks to the speed of the flow and the pressures generated inside the system, debris that might pass through the anti-leaks grids installed on the roof outlet would be easily evacuated. The siphonic system is so called because it's based on the principle of the siphon. This element characterizes some common activities of daily life, like the decantation of the wine from the demijohn to bottles or the transferring of petrol from a tank to another. It is a physical principle for which, by connecting with a pipe two vessels located on different heights, when the pipe will be completely filled by the water, the liquid will start to move from the upper vessel to the lower one. This happens because by falling down, the water of the vertical portion of the pipe drags with it all the water present in the siphon. The driving force of this movement will be the higher, the greater will be the difference of phase between the two vessels. Siphonic system work exactly in the same way. The roof surface of our building to drain represents the upper vessel, while the public sewage or the water tank represents our vessel placed below. The pipe composing the system are the siphon. Now that we have defined the principle behind the functioning of a siphonic system, let's take a look at the components. Starting from the roof, we have the siphonic roof outlet. They are the core of the system and the component that mainly influence the behavior of a siphonic system. They are different from a standard outlet of our traditional rainwater drainage system for the presence of a particular anti-vortex plate that prevents the air to enter inside the pipes. Valsir proposed two different models of roof outlet, Rainplus 110 and Rainplus 56, that differs in sizes and drainage capacity. Rainplus 110 is the biggest outlet of Valsir range and has a maximum drainage capacity of 65 liters per second. It can be combined with two different types of connection plates that allow the water tightness with all the kind of different existing roofs and waterproofing membranes. One plate, made in stainless steel, has a size of 320 mm per 320 mm, usually used for the connection inside metal gutters. The other plate, made in galvanized steel, has a size of 520 mm per 520 mm, typically used with the most types of waterproofing membranes. Rainplus 56 is a roof outlet born to contain the encumbrance and it has a drainage capacity of 14 liters per second. Differently from the bigger model, it has already equipped with a different plate according to the type of installation, allowing a connection to the different type of roofs. As a matter of fact, two models of the Rainplus 56 outlet exist. One with a circular plate of the diameter 180 mm and another one with a square plate of 420 mm per 420 mm, both made in stainless steel. The first one is ideal for gutter installation, while the second one is used on roofs with waterproofing membranes. In any case, both the versions of the Rainplus 56 are available with a vertical or horizontal exit pipe, depending on where the below pipe run will be installed. For both sizes of the roof outlet, Rainplus 110 and Rainplus 56, exists an accessory called overflow kit. that allows the transformation of the primary system into a secondary system, also called emergency system. The secondary system starts to work whenever will happen a rainfall event with an intensity higher than the one used to develop the primary system, or when obstructions are compromising it. As requested by national standards, the emergency system can be realized in different ways, with an appropriate wear on the roof parapets, or with a traditional secondary system, or with a dedicated siphonic system. Rainplus overflow solution consists of an extensions that increase the height of the roof outlet level, making this starting to work only with a specific level of water on the roof. The overflow kit is adaptable to different heights, depending on the level of water that the designer can accept on the roof. Another Valsir accessory is the thermokit. It is a heating cable to install on the roof outlet that avoids the formation of ice or snow. Connected to the roof outlet, we have then the pipes. For this kind of system, HDP pipe and fitting are used. It has been chosen this type of system for several reasons. First of all, a wide range of diameters, from 40 to 315 millimeters, and a great variety of fitting shapes. Then, it ensures great performance for the transportation of fluids with a positive and negative pressures. Allows an external installation even with direct contact with UV light or where very harsh temperatures may happen. Finally, we have the bracketing system. This component of the installation holds a fundamental role in the siphonic system. As a matter of fact, the generated forces of the dilatation must be bounded by an appropriate bracketing system. Valsir offers a wide range of accessories for the bracketing of the entire drainage network. It is composed of a special clamp combined with a supporting bar available from diameter 40 up to diameter 315 millimeters. Additionally to this system, there are clamp with M10 dowel, clamp with M10 threaded rod, even for an installation with a support bar, and clamp with half-inch and 1-inch threaded rod for a wall or ceiling installation. The range of bracketing systems allow also an easy pre-assemble on the ground and then a quick and easy installation of the collector pipes, even with a high length, at the level of the ceiling. All this with a reduced number of connections with the building structure and without the use of special equipment. In addition to these products for Rainplus system, Valsir has developed its software dedicated to the design. This allows an optimization of the sizing and the possibility to verify all the limits requested by the standards for this kind of system. It is a 3D software that provides an easy import and export to and from the main CAD and BIM applications. To sum up in a nutshell what we have said so far, Rainplus is a rainwater drainage system providing a solution to maximize the performance compared to a traditional system. It helps the designer and the contractor thanks to its great design flexibility and thanks also to the possibility of containing the required installation spaces. All this by reducing the cost for the material and the required labor forces for the installation.